What is up, guys? Welcome to day 226 of backtesting every day until I'm profitable. And I think this is the crazy mic edition. I had bought a microphone, but it doesn't sound really great. It looks cool, but you can hear the sound, so bear with me for this session. Next session we'll be having the best mic. So I think without delay, we should get going. We'll be backtesting the inversion model 2021 and see where we can get it to. Okay, uh, we're already on a new day, right? Market's gonna be bullish for this day. Again, fine. And but it doesn't remove the fact that we would like to move towards this high, but if it's 4 gap holds, then I'll be pushed towards. Because now I think I'm gonna just stay on buys. Okay, let's see. Wait long second or around point. Gonna wait for the open or run over. Wait. Yeah, good. Didn't get none of these lows. I would love to enter and run. Run. Let's see if we can find another place on the phone. The run. Okay. Let's take some longs to this high here. Let's do around 15. Nice. Here. High. Hey. Let's stay now. Too long it held looking for the deviation. Now there's no buy side target. Okay. Yeah. 30 points. So it's not that big. Let's check out this navigation example. Yeah. Oh, one of those. So, think of this. How's this? Let's go here. Yes, taking it out. Okay. I would love to see price drop that low. Okay. Yeah. Build run run taking time one one this long. We'll be here and obviously we'll get defined here. Let's see how it goes. Wait a minute. Nice. Run fine. For the rest of the morning. Let's go to the next day. Today was bullish, but small range. Content west. Strong body or a gap. Prices 1 point sway. Drops higher or drops continue lower. High. It's 1 hour. Well, let's see. Right, this one. High. Like this low is actually a 4 hour gap. Into the duration now. Press is run this also as so just trying to focus. Press one of them so like press that one of them. So yes, so have to run as well. Use more don't have an extensive clip down there. Let's see here. Yes, over here and take profit. So R right. seriously, what's wrong with this mic? Yeah, I was saying that we have some continuation. That's fine. God, this mic is testing my patience. Okay. Now, let's take some long behind there. So, mic. Once again. Let's see where this goes. Well, using that mic wasn't a success. Let's be using this one for in the meantime. Yeah, I was gonna take longs towards this high. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this was a crazy drop. Open yesterday at 10. After price run this high here, then it melted all the way down. Great, that's okay. So let's see if we can short it again towards these lows here. If this 4 hour gap here holds, obviously, and we also have Asia highs here run by London highs. So let's see if maybe the London highs get run, then price delivers lower. That's what I will be looking for in the day. Okay, if you get the run on the high, price is not been bursting yet. Yeah, I changed the mic, man. The the first mic I was using was problematic, but I think now you can hear me. If you can hear me, tell it to me so that I can see if I can troubleshoot this thing. Mood trading, can you hear me? Okay, so looks like the 4 hour here, it was an expansion 4 hour, so it might be heading to premium. Let's just take this and see. I would have loved to short it, but there is no short opportunity presenting itself at all. Alright, thank you, Mood Trading. Thank you. I don't think this day I'll be taking any trades here. Let's go to the next day. Oh, anyways, how's your weekend going, Mood Trading? How's your weekend going? Okay, let's check the daily. Now, after this consolidation that price was in yesterday and today, looks like it's finally decided to start going higher. Well, whatever. I think I'm going to long it as of now, because you can see it's in a 4 hour gap. So see if you can deliver to probably this high here, or even the Asia highs, because the Asia highs are the lowest hanging fruit. They are around 30 points away right there. So now I'm gonna wait for the open. Okay, Asia highs get run right away. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday. Yeah, take a break, reflect on what you've achieved through the year, and set some new goals. It's time to make stuff happen. Okay, so we've got a 1 minute inversion here. There is an SMT. So I think I'm gonna long it towards this high here. It's the 943 high, and my stop will be somewhere around there. So that would be 15 micros, I believe. And my stop will be here. Take profit right here. Let's see if the take profit gets hit now, or if we're gonna get cooked. Banger 1.7 trade, 1.7 hour trade. Very great one. Okay, this high also ends up getting tagged in, so that's very beautiful. Next day, there is a good gap here. The higher target, buy side target here. I'm checking the 1 hour. Well, we've got the Asia lows run here, and we've got London. Actually, these are also not London highs, like the London kills on target, and it's consolidating. So we've got to be cautious with the way we trade this day. Okay, now there's a good drop, pretty close to this low. Okay, now that the low has been run, let's see if any long opportunities show up. Damn, well, this is a generational drop. Let's check the 4 hour. Closing. The 4 hour candle will close soon. So price is melting. Let's see some sell side targets that we could target if we can get the opportunity to do so. Okay, run on the high here. 2 minute inversion. Sorry, somewhere around here, and target is around here. Let's put in some shorts. 15 points again, so that's 16 micros, and let's sell it. Let's sell it all the way down. Way down we go. Way down we go. Okay, very beautiful short. Okay, so daily doesn't have anything clear, but we're in some drop. While the 4 hour, well, it looks like we're dropping, but I think we're dropping around, to be honest, because BS has run this high, and we have another SMT here. Like, it's all over the place. But I'm gonna look for something small, low hanging internally to work from, like this gap, and target this low here, something like that. Actually, the opportunity was here. Wait a minute. Okay, on the run on these highs here. Let's see if this is the run, and checking the 15, we're still in the gap. 30-minute nothing, but the 1 hour obviously still showing some good movement, and there is this inversion here. Gonna have a 12 stop. Since I also use FVG inversion for entries, I've realized it's not enough. It's better to wait for structure, but of course price would leave you if you were to target 1 to 1 on a 1 minute time frame. Well, this the inversion FVG entries mostly give you like low risk to reward entries, because trust me, none of my entries go like for more than 2 hour. But if you use the inversion fair value gap on the 15-minute, I think like the 15-minute kind of conflicts most of the time with the inversion. For example, if we were to go back to this point in time, and you can see that here we have a good gap that was inversed. So let's say you enter here, consider you end up getting stopped out. So maybe it's because this wasn't like in London session, but I don't think higher time frame inversions give you a good opportunity, but instead they give you clarity of where the market wants to go. For example, if this thing here inverses, it shows that market could potentially be bearish. That doesn't mean that I'll short it here, but that means that I have like a confluence that confirms my my bias, that confirms that I'm bearish. And aside from that, maybe basing from my experience with NQ, it's every single time like a 15-minute inverses, it inverses really hard, considering the fact that it moves heavily during the New York session around the opening hours, equities open hours. Like at that time, if you wait for a 15-minute inversion fair value gap, bro, price has already done what it has to do. So it will also depend on the asset that you'll be doing. Do you add like within your model? I think do you? I would like to ask actually. Do you add like a sweep or a liquidity targets? For example, here you can see that we have a liquidity sweep showing that price could start going higher, and we have an inversion, and we have a liquidity target, which is this 930 opening high, this one here. You can see how good this thing was. So there's an SMT, there's an inversion, 20 point stop for 30 point take profit. Well, we still got buy side. Actually, that will be new high of the day. It's 30 points away. Can't determine anything on the daily. It's not that clear. Well, I can see that price ended up rejecting on this sort of block for a gap here that's holding. So I think I'm gonna go higher today, and I'm going to use some standard deviations. this high here or this one. Okay, now you have a run on this low here. Right, well, this is insane. Where is it heading to? I think it's heading for the Asia low. Now let's see if we can find some longs after the Asia low has been taken out. Well, there's this consolidation that's so annoying. Okay, I'm thinking of longing it on this 3-minute inversion. I didn't use the 1 minute because this was so didn't give me enough context. I wasn't so confident with that, but if I can long it from here and probably target like a premium target, I think it will be a good trade. Do you have like a premium 5-minute gap? It will be this one or this one here. Let's see where this goes. Yeah, we're cooked. Let's go to the next day. Seriously, price is consolidating like shit here. Look, these days it's been 13. It's been 17 days since price that did anything serious. Yeah, liquidity sweep by the extra fair value projection to confirm the 15-minute inverse direction in a discount area. Well, I think you're looking for confluences in some like kind of order, while you should let the confluences build themselves up. For example, like, okay, I see a sweep, I see this, not like waiting for a 15 inverse fair value gap for you to take alongs. But maybe I agree with waiting for discount. Like you should, with your confluences, you should have like the optional ones, the mandatory ones, the ones that shouldn't miss in your setup and stuff like that. Well, price has run the high here, so now it's delivering lower. Average high here, run during London session, and then there's a London high there. So it's heading for the London high. I would like to see it head for the London high. Now at the open, you get a 2-minute inversion right there, and well, it's not around this high, but I think this could drive us at least to the next 15-minute gap or to this low here, 930 low. sell there, take profit here. Let's just sit and wait to get stopped out. Let's check the 4 hour. We're in some consolidation here. The price is also in this gap and this one. And we've got this high here. That will be the next possible target for longs. So I'll be waiting for that one. Okay, now there's a 2-minute inversion. No SMT. Low hanging fruit there. So let's see if we can take some longs again. Come on. Oh, so this was the gap here. Yep, makes sense. That's why we're getting stopped out, stop after stop. Whether it's in May or we are already in May. Okay, so I'm gonna look for some way to short this thing, like probably to another daily low that hasn't been taken out yet. Yep, I think that will be it. Okay, first daily low target hit, and the second one, man, in 30 minutes after market open. Jesus. Let's go to the next day again. Okay, so how would I be sure that this is not a fake out and it's gonna continue going lower? Because all I can see here is a sweep. There's an SMT there. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour high and move on. Okay, 15-minute high there. What's up, millionaire Sanket? I've been in the market for 2 years now. This is my second year actually. In my second year, just gathering some experience. How about you? How long have you been in the markets? Stop will be at this low and target profit at this high. Let's see. Yeah, we are cooked. I think it's going to go lower. That was a fake out. 1.9 years. That's really great. That's really great. So you're a futures trader or a forex trader? TradeZilla is not free, man. TradeZilla is paid. TradeZilla is paid for sure. I mean, but you can get it at a discount for around like 20% off, but it's really worth it for journaling and backtesting and all. Have a run on the highs and sell side here. Let's see if you can short it. Let's go to the next day. Looks like price is testing our patience, to be honest. This was a crazy expansion. I think this was an FP. Probably this was an FP. So you have it at a high here and at the low. I should have the data low only, the data high has already been taken out. SMT sweep and inversion here. Click along it to this 844 high. What is in ICT you're using? I'm using inversion fair value gaps and liquidity sweeps. You know, it's an inversion fair value gap model. This is around 40, so that's why I'm rid of 80 for 6 micros. My stop will be here and take profit at this high. ES has already run that high. Why do I expect more from it? Doesn't want to hit the high by any chance. Oh, this is insane. Anyways, the morning session was already over, so maybe we should have closed it at this high here at 8.54 instead. What time frame are you using? Only 1 minute? I use 1 minute and 2 minute. Those are the only time frames that I use. It's either 1 minute or 2 minute. Okay, sometimes the 3 minute or the 5, but I'm a scalper, so lower time frames are my thing. Next day. Literally in the first 15 minutes of the market, my target had already been hit. Minute gap. Check the 4 hour. How's the 4 hour looking like? Anyways, couple gaps have been inverted. I think I'll be looking for some shorts instead. Okay, let's go to the next day. And price is absolutely melting after this consolidation there. Let's see if we have some daily lows to target. Even though price has already moved around 300 points already. But I'll be seeing if I can have any reason to short it. Any reason. Okay, run higher. Inversion. As easy as this. And this run high, I believe it tapped into a gap somewhere. Is it 1 hour? Okay, it fell short of the 1 hour gap here. Has yes run it? This gap here, nope. Yes hasn't done anything. I'm not gonna wait for yes to do anything. Just the fact that it has run some highs and inverted is enough for just I would call it a B setup, to be honest. What do you do to earn money? Well, currently, since I'm not a profitable trader yet, I am a coder. I write code. I'm a software developer. My stop will be at the high and take profit at the low. Let's see if price can. What just happened? That was insane. Quick stop out, and market flies. Jesus Christ. Well, that was uncalled for. 200.1, and you can see how the daily is looking like. Okay, SMT here, and then a small inversion at this gap. Can take longs towards this high here. I've noticed that some of the losses are the same, especially because you expect to have a good RR like if you take screenshots of them, you would notice it. Yeah, my losses are the same. Most of the times it's like it goes then it retraces, goes higher than it retraces. Just look back and see. Well, I think I would be more confident with this one because like the tone has already been set that price is bullish. Like since the tone has been set that price is bullish, I would like to long on that, kind of confluence. But I review my journal and see like sometimes like I entered too early without waiting for like an extra sweep, but it's not the point of waiting for an extra sweep. It's like where is price currently, because as of now you can see price is okay. I consider it in this 15-minute gap because ES has already run this 15-minute low, so I think I will be confident enough to see if it could go all the way high here. So let's just test it out and see. That's the reason. Well, that's great, Sanket. That's great. You are a millionaire, Sanket. Well, I also do JavaScript and React and some Java as well. Java and some Python. Stop around here, take profit around here. Let's see what happens. Well, we end up getting cooked. Okay, well, we'll continue tomorrow. Done trade backtesting for today. The stats are not looking good. Odds are stacked against us. This inversion model has made the trade winning percentage a little bit lower. We've been taking loss after loss. $20.21. Alright, let's go back. Okay, May. We're still in May and we're in the negative. We've already taken around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in this month, with most of them being in the negative. So not the greatest, but I gotta continue trying to fix it, trying to fix the entries, the exit and stuff. So I think that will be all, and until next time, stay blessed. Shout out to Mo Trading Millionaire Sanket. You made the session really fun, and we have to be profitable traders, guys. We have to be profitable traders. We have to continue putting in the work day after day, and sometime we'll look back and be grateful for what we did. So with that being said, stay blessed and have a nice week.